What's up, Honda fans? I'm Honda Laura, and today we're doing a tutorial on how to pair your Bluetooth device to your 2018 Honda Accord. So we're doing this today with my iPhone X. First thing we're gonna do is go to my settings page, go to Bluetooth, make sure that Bluetooth is on and it is discoverable. Next step, we're going to our home screen on the display audio system, and we're going to settings. We're gonna select connections, and we're gonna select Bluetooth. We're gonna select connect new device, and then display audio will give you a message telling you to make sure the device is discoverable and the Bluetooth is on. Since we already did that, we're gonna say okay, and the car will start to search for the phone. It should instantly pop up. There's me. I'm gonna select me. The car is going to give you a PIN to verify and accept the request. So we're gonna hit pair because they match. Then it'll ask me if I want to allow contacts to be synced. I'm going to allow. And we're gonna make sure my phone and audio is checked off. I'm gonna hit save. And the car will start connecting. And my connection is successful. So after you successfully pair your device, the display audio system is going to give you an option for the Honda Link Assist. Honda Link Assist is a really nice feature. In the event of a collision, the car is going to use your Bluetooth signal to dial emergency services. You don't need any sort of smart device for this. You can use just a basic device, anything with a cell phone service. So we're gonna enable. Perfect. So once you're all hooked up, you can go back to your home screen, select the phone options, and then you'll have access to your contacts. You're going to have access to your recent calls, favorite, and the keypad. With the Bluetooth being connected, you'll also have access to all of those same commands on the front display audio. So pairing your device is going to be pretty standard across the board, whether you have an Android phone or something more simple like just a regular touch tone flip phone, something like that. That was our tutorial on pairing your Bluetooth to the 2018 Honda Accord. Please comment any videos that you are interested to see if you'd like me to demonstrate something. And don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'm Honda Laura, and I'll see you next time.